गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। कैसे आप लोग? सब लोग ठीक है? माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, once again welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Shuprasad sir from Shubrat Singh Children Academy. Students, today in our economics lecture, today we are going to learn about the types of propensity to consume. In my earlier video, we have learned about the meaning of propensity to consume as well as the diagrammatic, the presentation of propensity to consume. It is a continuation of the same video. Over here, today we are going to discuss the types of propensity to consume. Dear students, on this board I have drawn a chart. In this, over here there are two types of propensity to consume. Number one is APC, that is average propensity to consume, and number second is MPC, that is marginal propensity to consume. What is that? There are two types of propensity to consume. Number one is APC and number second is MPC. APC stands for average propensity to consume, and next one MPC, that is marginal propensity to consume. Now let's see the meaning of APC, that is average propensity to consume. APC refers to consumption expenditure. APC refers to consumption expenditure to corresponding level of income. It refers to consumption expenditure to corresponding level of income. इसी को हम लोग अदर वर्ड्स में ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं, इट इज अ रेशियो ऑफ कंजम्पशन एक्सपेंडिचर. व्हाट डिड आई से? इट इज रेशियो ऑफ कंजम्पशन एक्सपेंडिचर एट अ गिवन लेवल ऑफ इनकम. Okay, symbolically it is APC equal to C by Y, that is C upon Y. C stands for consumption and Y stands for income. Means what? We have to divide the aggregate consumption expenditure with aggregate income. Then we will get APC, that is average propensity to consume. Next one is MPC. What is that? Marginal propensity to consume. M marginal, P propensity and C consume. Marginal propensity to consume measures the response of spending, measures the response of spending to a change in income. Change in income. In short, to the point, it is also known as it is ratio of spending to the change in income. It's worked out, means how it is find out by dividing the change in consumption by the change in income, by dividing the change in income, change in consumption by change in income. Symbolically, MPC equal to delta C upon delta Y. This delta means what? Change in consumption upon change in income. My dear students, in short, to the point, it is also called as what? It is ratio ऑफ एक्सपेंडिचर टू अ चेंज इन इनकम। कहने का मतलब क्या है कि अगर इनकम एक पर्टिकुलर प्रोपोर्शन में चेंज हुआ तो उसका इफेक्ट कंजम्पशन पर क्या होगा और कितना होगा। जाहिर सी बात है कि अगर इनकम चेंज हुआ तो कंजम्पशन भी चेंज होगा, बट प्रोपोर्शनेटली वो कितने से चेंज होगा वो हम लोग कहाँ पे फाइंड आउट करते हैं, दैट इज मार्जिनल प्रोपेंसिटी टू कंज्यूम। नाउ सी ओवर हियर फर्स्ट वी डिस्कस्ड अबाउट APC, एवरेज प्रोपेंसिटी टू कंज्यूम। इसका अगर एग्जाम्पल हम देना चाहे तो एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हैं APC का। सपोज द इनकम इज 100 रुपीज, इनकम कितना है 100 रुपया, और सामने कंजम्पशन एक्सपेंडिचर इज 80। सो एज पर आवर दिस इक्वेशन, दैट formula C by Y, that is consumption expenditure upon income. So 80 by 100. How much will be the answer? The answer will be 0.8. 0.8. This 0.8 is less than 1. My dear students, there are some facts about the average propensity to consume. Which are the facts? That this average propensity to consume, it can be less than 1. It can be less than 1. It can be equal to 1. अभी इस एग्जाम्पल में ओवर हियर इट इज लेस देन 1. इक्वल टू 1 कब होगा? जब ये इनकम और कंजम्पशन दोनों सेम होगा। सपोज income is rupees 100 as well as the consumption expenditure is also 100. So answer will be 1. How? 100 upon 100 you will get the answer 1. तो ये दो टू फैक्ट्स हमारे सामने आ गए अबाउट APC. What is that? APC can be less than 1, APC can be equal to 1, or even APC can be greater than 1. But my dear students, जो ध्यान देने वाला बात है, सबसे खास बात, APC cannot be 0. APC cannot be 0. APC कभी भी 0 नहीं हो सकता है। क्यों नहीं हो सकता है? इसका पहले का डिस्कशन में, अर्लियर वीडियोस में हम लोगों ने ऑटोनोमस कंजम्पशन एक्सपेंडिचर के बारे में सीखा हुआ है। ध्यान में आ रहा है आपको? यस, वहाँ पे हमने सीखा था, उस वीडियो में आपको बताया गया था कि इनकम 0 हो सकता है, लेकिन एट 0 लेवल ऑफ इनकम कंजम्पशन एक्सपेंडिचर कुछ ना कुछ रहेगा। तो जब कंजम्पशन एक्सपेंडिचर 0 नहीं हो सकता है तो उसका एवरेज कैसे का 0 आ सकता है? मीन्स व्हाट? APC कैनॉट बी 0 एज वेल एज APC कैनॉट बी निगेटिव। ऐसा कभी हो नहीं सकता है। APC is always positive. APC can be less than 1. APC can be equal to 1 as well as it can be greater than 1. But APC never can be 0 or negative. So it was the facts about the average propensity to consume. Today in this video we have learned about the types of propensity to consume. Two types I concluded, APC as well as MPC, meaning as well as equations discussed with you. In the next video, we will learn about savings, that is average propensity to save as well as marginal propensity to save, as well as the relationship between in that. So till then, enjoy yourself, have a nice day. Thank you very much for kind cooperation.